Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from RCD Parenting, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY snowman skittles game. Okay, what you need for this activity is, you're going to need some toilet roll holders, I would say about 6 of them. You're going to need orange card or paper, some black card or paper, and some red card or paper. You're also going to need scissors and a glue stick. Okay, and you're also going to need a pair of socks, white, for your snowball. Okay, so first of all, you're going to have to paint the tube white. Okay, so you have to prepare them, paint them all white first. Then, what I've done is, I have gone and made some shapes out of my paper. So I've gone and used the black paper to make some eyes, as like in the cold with Frosty the Snowman. I've gone and used the orange paper in a triangle shape for their nose. And I'm going to use the red to make a mouth shape, or you can use the black. Okay, so once you've done them all, we're going to put them all together and we're going to play Skittles. Okay, so now we're going to decorate our toilet holder, which is pink white. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make some eyes out of the black papers. So I'm going to use some circle shapes for these, for the eyes. It's a bit like Jack Frost. I'm making a snowman out of the garden. Okay. Okay, nice bit of glue on there so that it holds. Okay, put the other eye on. Now I'm going to use the orange paper, and I'm going to do a triangle shape. So it's a bit like the carrot nose in orange. Okay. A nice lot of glue on it so it doesn't come unstuck when you're knocking them over. And then I'm going to use the red paper to make a mouth. Again, it's totally up to you what shape you'd like your mouth. Just make him happy. Christmas is happy time. Okay, and there you have my first one decorated. Okay, so here are the 6 Skittles that I've got. So I'm going to now roll my snowball. Wow! There we go. What you could do is, you could add up the score after every time you roll the ball. And you could see who wins and maybe put a prize at the end. Have fun everyone. Hope you have a lovely Christmas. Au revoir.